My name is Jürgen Porzucek. I'm working as a business development manager for the Marchesini Group in aseptic field. Marchesini is one of the leading companies in the world for pharmaceutical packaging, and also we are active in cosmetic packaging. So we do everything in primary filling and secondary packaging for pharma applications and for cosmetic applications. We choose Pharma for two reasons. First reason is that the topic this year is sustainable packaging, and this is a big topic with us in the company, mainly in the world of blistering, where we talk about new packaging forms, also in cartoning. And it's a big topic also for the pharma. Not maybe everybody has realized it yet, but it will come surely, and we are looking deep into this, and it was interesting here to exchange with the colleagues and with customers. As just described, we are really keen on working in sustainability. So this is one of the major things we are doing at the moment in the company, but also as we see that as a trend, and it's going to be more and more important, and that's where we focus on at the moment as a group. We have to say, when talking also to participations and also to my colleagues who participated with me, that the organization was really perfect here. So thanks to the team that you did a fantastic job, and we are quite happy with the experience we have here.